What is the sound it makes?
That's she breathing.
Huh?
She's just breathing.
Okay.
And she open her mouth to breathe. That's the sound that she makes. Like breathing sound.
Yeah. Woo, that's a nice situation that there.
The nice thing about her, she's a nice girl.
Yeah, photos. She's photogenic. Posing for y'all and taking.
That's my problem. See me already. Alright, so all these people know everything.
Okay guys, yeah, hanging out this way.
It's nice to have them.
Once you have seen one turtle, you have seen all there. You just may see a bigger one, a smaller one, but they are all the same.
They dig with the front fence first.
And then turn around and drop in the hole.
Then do the rest of the back fence. Okay. Catch up breath and go again. Swim so far.
Leatherback cannot hear stalk in the hair, high pitch sound frequency. So when she on top of the water, boats will pass over them, the propeller will damage them. They cannot hear the boat coming, so they will just remain there. And these fishermen with these boats, who don't care about these leatherbacks, because leatherbacks damage their nets. The boats will just run over them. The leatherback will come up with sometimes they can't play split into, and they will lay and die. Now there are over 200 species of turtle in the world. Only 7 of those species are sea turtles. The difference between sea turtles and land turtles is that no sea turtle can extract their body into the shell. Did everyone see?
No, I need to stop this way a little bit.
For those who have seen, give the others a chance. Leatherback have nostrils. They are too old to the front of her. I could pop her nostrils and it will not affect her in any way. You see, when she dives at a depth of 4,000 feet and she catches a jellyfish, she do not have teeth. She has spines in her mouth facing backwards that will pull the jellyfish in. When she has gotten that entire jellyfish into her mouth, she closes her mouth shut and pumps the salt water from her mouth out her nostrils. That is how she eats jellyfish underwater. So every time she lifts her head, like that there, is to open her mouth to breathe. Now there are jellyfish the size of these leatherbacks. So we are even there and we are coming this way.
Is she going back to the water now?
She will go back after she finishes this process. Yeah. Now this process she is doing here is the camouflaging process. Leatherback, when they lay the eggs and they return to the ocean and they do not come back to look after the young. So she will try her best to disguise the spot where she has laid the eggs. So we were not here. It is very difficult for us to tell the exact spot where she has laid the eggs. It could have been over there. You see how far she comes from camouflaging? This process does not have a time limit. She does this process until she is satisfied she has done enough to give those eggs a fighting chance of survival. So she will remain camouflaging the area until she is satisfied.